Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to create here Xcodes and we need to shift UI using. We need to create here the this glossary app sign up screen. We need to first of all the create designs and then after we need to API calling and to set here the home screen. Need to opens into logic need to set here today. If you beginners, don't worry, you need to explain tools details, shift and shift UI tutorials. You need to create here the new playlist and detail explain in details one by one. All things we need to explain, but we need to first complete this playlist. Then after we need to create here the flutters and shift UI. Both language are need to create here the beginners tutorials we need to develop here and to explain in details. Let's start. We need to online glossary app need to first of all the complete here. First of all, we need here to go inside the view and we need to create here the new files login folder. Inside we need to create here the new files and we need to select here the shift UI files and to write down here the click on next. And now need to give here the names and select here the project target. Need to select here and to give here the name sign up view. Need to save this here. Now need to first of all need to create here the Z stack. Write down here. Then after need to set here the one property. Ignore safe area. And after now need to set here the navigation bar titles. Need to set here blank. Then after need to set here the navigation bar hide. Need to set here true. After need to set here the navigation bar back button hidden. Write down here the true. Because we need to use here the navigation controllers, that's why I need to set this here. And we need to configure this UI inside the login screen. We need to go here the login screens and to write down here the buttons. We need to use here the sign up buttons. We need to create here to write down here the navigate link. Need to use your destination labels. Need to set here and now need to cut this here, paste as the labels, and now need to write down here the sign up. This is the sign up UI. Need to call here to navigate inside the screen to another screen. I need to configure here the navigation view and to test here. And now need to set inside the login to put here and to loading this and to check here click working or not. We need to check here. Now need to here. Now this screen are the opens here. This is the good for the navigations. Now need to go inside the welcome screen and to create here one buttons. Go inside the sign in view and now need to first of all need to create here the two buttons. Need to first need button definitions and write down here the and login view. Use these buttons cheers. Write down here the button names. Title sign. Now need to copy this here. Save this. Now need to check here. Support. And another buttons need to develop here. Write down down here. Now need to set this here. And now need to change these colors. Need to first of all app colors need to primary now, and need to put and these are button configurations are the done, and do is at signups, and people write down here need to put here the image inside the backgrounds. Need to set here first of all to write down image, give the name, size, and now need to set here the frame, give here the width, point screen width, and then after height, here. Now need to set here the scale to fill property need to set here, and first of all need to go inside the sets and need to find out here the background bottom, copy this and to put inside the sign up, paste this here. Now this UI are the here and set here the low here. And first of all we need to create here the designs design need to get here like all the here stack. Now need to set here right down here at top, sir, step and to run. Now need to create names back button, go inside the sets and we do copy these back buttons. Now need to go back, paste this here, resize, write down here frame size unit width, height. Now need to find here the one environment for the app event, write down it. Copy this inside here to write down here main model. Need is to set here and to set here the back button select to write down here the wrap width and 2, which means this. Now need to check this write down here support so insert so horizontals, and now need to create here the others to check develop not to step scroll insert the stack. Now to go inside the login view and with this text now need to inside here and now need to change it and to write down turn to now need to go inside into to create copy this paste here and to sign and another text fields need to write down here user name. Now need to see now need to come slowly. Now need to write down here username empty username. Now need to set error message. Now need to set and statement. Here login select property and to write down it. Now need to here and to change here. Now need to create here static is create here the API Copy this, replace with the our view controllers models, not view controllers, to set the view models. And now need to API sign up, need to go inside here our sign up view, STC, right down here, and another buttons need to appear, fields right down here. Set here txt username tabs on its, need to check here where suppose need to change this title text and to shall continue. Now need to share bottom text, already have. Now need to sign in, login, now need to set this, and now need to create here the write down here the text attributes, continue, and now need to set here and need to check here the fonts, need here medium, now need to write down and done. options. Here need to check here the error of which error here search to set. Now need to let's and to now need to here write down and now need to here done. Okay, and now need to test here the CPI calling. First of all, need to click here. So why not worry? Okay, I need to forget here the nut. Present at here MVVM dot show error that here dismiss buttons need to set here hope dot app name, then after need to set here the message, write down the main VM dot error message, and then after need to set here the this button, set here default, set this text right here. This is the alerts and need to set here text, then this is the alert UI. I need to set here MS now need to click percent down here after need to is enter passwords, write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 at here. Now need to call this here and add successfully. We need to message, and now need to set this value. The polls need to go inside here our view models. When view models need to go and here Now need to create here the one models. We need to go here for the user data. The SwiftUI need to how to write here models. First of all, create file. Identity. Set this here. Now need to create models. Now need to define here the some variables. We need to set here. Set down set here, and after checking once, then after to give write down string, and after need to set here string, after need to here, then after need to set y string mobile code, that here no need to string else, and after it's not need to also need to write down here it sorry. Now need to paste here. After need to paste it. Yep, that is string double quotes into. Now need to this here, paste here, that here. Well, after need to now need to, and more methods need that here the equalables property need to section, write down here change user model, cool. Now change. This is the create here, and now need to go inside here the our view models, main view model. Now need to first of all the create some utility class groups, and to write down here some methods for the save the data and retrieve data need to use here. Now need to get here the util class. Write down here the functions need calls here to save here the reference user defaults inside need to save our data. If you enter inside into use the share preference like similar to here inside here the now need to write down here the class functions. Write down here the data. Now it will be the name. The util class need to here for the under set write down here. After to set here the user defaults. Now need to methods need to get this data. I need to write down functions. Now need to get as well to the return key. Now need to another property need to define for the get value as a boolean. So need to the not false. Now need to methods return. Sometime we need to need here the return true. If you not set that's last year true. Now need to copy here. Write down functions. More data. This is the util class. Need to set here the utility. Now need to use this util to save here inside the our reference inside. Now need to go inside the models and to also need to configure end up step fonts value opt get here the dictionary. Then after we need to pass set this value and then go inside globe, write down here Now need to text here. Now need to copy this. And down this. And another setting for the login flag. Need to copy this. The login. Logins. Now need to go here. This and need first of this. And to paste inside the dictionary this year, but this thing. Now need to copy here functions. Now need to also here self the data here, copy, put inside the here. And now need to need to add all others as add the object. Value setting by default. Now need to go and object is equal to object to rename as models. Object. Write down here the models set. Now need to save this. Change. Now need to change. Now need to save this done here. The group. Yeah. Set into now need to create Z's text. Add down here and Write down here the check the spacer. Set here. Suppose need to copy this and set the home view. And go sign up. Equal to mvu models dot share. Now need to set here options. Mvu login menu. This is the set here login flow and inside into and now need to create here the one buttons for the logout. Now need to write down here the model dot share. Set here the login at here pods. Now need to text log out. Now need to copy these here and to set here center to get inside the center this UI. Now need to test this project with to startup. Need to call here. Suppose need to run inside the simulator. Need to run this project. And to test here. Now we need to run this app here and we need to check here the flow, login flow work or not. Login after need to automatically redirect it inside the main tab view. Next video inside need to develop here the main tab view with bottom and home screen need to develop here design. Now I am waiting for this is the play screen. Okay, now need to click on the start. Here outside here issue with the click, we need to first of all to fix this issue. And now need to go inside here, we need to click the login and sign in, and we need to use this here, check this test username and passwords need to receive here. Database inside at email.com. And now this is the login working goods, and to restart this app and always get this screen to test this restart. the simulator app. Now need to open against this app, and to not work this, first of all need to set here text, set the view models. Need to forget the initialize value. Need to first of all go inside our view models and to write down here the initialize, to check here our conditions. Use here get this flag, need to return here. First of all set here user payloads data, need to set here. Self set user data, read data inside here. Retrieve data inside the storage, to retrieve set the data dot user payload to send to get here. Pass this. Now need to and to write down here user login or login, set here the flag. Now need to run again, set here stick here. Now need to here. Now need to run this here and to test inside our simulator. Now run is the place screens to run here, and then after need to get here automatic login, and if you user are the logouts, need to automatic the go inside the startups. Now to same as need to check here the sign up and to write down here the and this here. Now need to the records false with this here and working good this flow. And next video we need to inside we need to create here the bottom UI and to implement here the home tabs. Designs we need to create in the next video. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye.